cleaning your rifles, I do not judge you, and you clean a million.
You know not of any rifles.
I know all the rifles.
No, you do not.
Hey, welcome back. Thanks for being here. Today we're going to visit TikTonia. TikTonia? Yeah. It's a little section on TikTok where we have two Jamaican princesses that do them thing. Let's watch and enjoy.
The Duke's rifle doesn't work, but the Viscount.
Oh my god.
I surely will clean all of his rifles.
Oh my god.
On a daily basis. First thing every morning.
You act as a bloody handicap. Calm down.
When you're cleaning your rifles, I do not judge you, and you clean a million.
You know not of any rifles.
I know all the rifles.
No, you do
clean.
not.
No, you do not. Listen, how can I rifle them I talk about? Legal or illegal? Big or small? Them princesses are not easy.
Does that thing say cotton balls?
Wow, oh how your eyes
100
are always
pieces, Alessandra. I'll marry her.
Colin is such a beautiful sight.
Take your eyes off of Penelope's man.
He doesn't want her, she's fat. She can't please.
How dare you?
Fat girls need loving too. Want the princess? Where all they fat to them there? Forward, forward. Come lie down for me. Plush me out. Poof.
She can't please him.
She can. A measly sit down and grind on his cock and he'll be happy. And so will she.
Do not bore me with their boring sexual activities. I need not hear about it. This is all of TikTonia on here.
I can.
You see where we get the term from? TikTonia. Yo, then two young ladies that ain't creative bad. Right now them are on TikTok. Everybody else over TikTok don't make no sense. Well, most other people don't make no sense.
Tell you, trust me. They love it here. Send pretty pictures across the screen.
Send pretty pictures at once.
Now, so we can feel the love of your freaking bloody poverty.
Are you actually serious?
No, I like them. They're very creative. They're bad. This is entertaining. All I'm not here no suck your mother. And they are speaking explicitly. Sexually. But you have to listen it. It comes like a carnival song. Somebody kitty cat get a yeah.
Nails are rather demure, sister. Take them off of me for your hands.
Take this, all who want to see my face. Shove it up your arm.
The motion you are doing with your finger, is that what you so desire from the bartender?
And the king. And the doctor.
I pray the dragon that they send as a gift will swallow you up and spit you out.
I could use a dragon right now.
I pray the dragon drags you out of the kingdom.
Sister, you're acting as if you're innocent.
I am not innocent, I am far from it. But my Viscount shall count his days, because his days are numbered with me, because I shall ride his cock to riddance.
Calm down.
I'm sorry.
You horny haggle.
Stop it.
Princess Honey F-U-C-K. No, sir. This is the way you speak sexually. You have to do it in code. Like, it's so entertaining. It's so refreshing. Right now, more on some water. No. Compare what you just watched to what I'm going to show you now.
But I see a whole year gold medal. You have to have good money to get this. I see some more you know free to come. You come quag quag. When I saw the cocky them, I see quag 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 quag. I catch you kind of my jaws and catch you back your strong. Go say
Your jaw like. Listen. I don't know why everybody feels the need to come online, come talk about their sex life and come sell front. If you sell front, brother, sell it in a private. Where you come online, come tell you say expensive. Like, bro, okay, fine, whatever you say. So, how tight is your hole?
It's not that.
She shouldn't even answer this question, to be honest. because it's so disrespectful if you ask one lady a question like this. But since we already are watching, we're gonna continue watching.
Not tight, you know, but it tight.
So
You can grip cocky good.
Can grip my cocky.
Yeah.
Can grip my 9-inch.
Listen, if you don't want to watch your site, I'm gonna find it on the internet or something. I don't have time for that. Yeah, go back up. If you guys like the video, give it a like. If you like it, leave a comment. If you like it, yo, share the video. Like, damn, share the video, man, to some new people. Yeah, let me get some new subs. Although I appreciate you guys. And if you subscribe already, click the notification bell so you can watch the videos when we upload them, man. And then what else? Like, subscribe, share, comment. Just enjoy yourself. Stay safe. Bless.